Ready to ditch boring bar charts and spin your project timelines into stunning visuals? First, connect your project data in Tableau, ensuring you have fields for task, start date, duration, and a calculated field for task order. Next, create a calculated field called index using the index function. This will determine the order of your tasks around the circle. Now, make a calculated field labeled path. The formula should be index on multiplied by angle per task. Will calculate angle per task. Next, create another calculated field named angle per task using the formula 360 divided by window underscore x index. This calculates the angle between each task. It's time to calculate our x coordinate. Make a calculated field named x using the formula sin radians path multiplying by duration. Now for the y coordinate, create a calculated field named y using the formula cos radians path multiply by duration. Drag x to columns and y to rows. Change the mark type to Gantt. Drag the task field to color and set compute using to task order. Drag the start date field to the size mark to define the length of each Gantt bar. Edit both x and y axes to be fixed from 10 to 10 or a suitable range based on your data to make it a circle. Also, remove headers and grid lines. Customize your colors, add labels, and refine your tooltips for maximum impact. Now you have a visually engaging Radial Gantt chart to track your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips.